Hello YouTube, this is the Adventure Waste channel, and I am Reese, and today I'm going to talk about adding these Raptor lights to my McFly mobile, the Toyota Tacoma. I just put that new TRD Pro grill on, so it looks pretty nice, so I decided to put these Raptor lights in there, and it cost $19.99 on eBay for those 4 little lights. Super easy to put in. They fit, they click right into these little cutouts here. So you just they click right in there. Super easy to put in. What you need to get is add a circuit that you hook your power up and just jump off on a fuse. These only take not even 0.2 amps, so very low power drainage. And here's the back. I have them zip tied in the back there. They're connected. They have these LED connections, and then the ADA circuit I connected to my INJ fuse, which the lights will come on when the truck is on. And when you turn the truck off, the lights will turn off. I've already checked it out. They stay on for maybe 5 or 10 seconds after you turn it off, but then after that, like I said, you just jump off. Here's the ADA fuse. I put a 3 amp, the original fuse, or a 10 amp fuse goes on the bottom. And I put a 3 amp fuse on the top, just to make sure if anything does happen that it is less than the 10 amp. You want to make sure it's less than the fuse that's originally on it. So I jumped it. You connect the positive that comes off the wires, and then the negative you connect to your ground. I mean, it couldn't be simpler. So yeah, I love it. So I'll go back to you here in a second, and I'll turn on the truck, and I'll show you how they look. Bye. Okay, and we're back, and it is daytime though, but you can't see that they're lit. They're pretty bright. I have my parking lights on now, or the daylight running yellow lights on with that yellow. And but they look pretty damn good for, heck, $19.99. You can't beat it. I mean, just adds a little extra touch to your truck. So hey, like and subscribe. I'll have more riding videos coming here. It's a little bit chilly still. It's just hit March, so in spring we'll get going here and have some more stuff on the dual sport riding. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.